The Anker 3-in-1 portable battery and charger will sit waiting to fulfill every charging need you have. No more carrying additional wires, wall chargers, and an external battery separately. This has all of that in one. Sure, it could eat a few less chicken wings and think skinny, but the extra bulk here is worth it when you know it can also do this. Plugging itself into a wall and charging its own battery is a total alpha move, but plug in a cable of your choice, then wha-bam, it's now spitting out 30 watts of power to your device of choice. However, if you're in a rush, even more magical, just take the whole damn thing with you, because then the battery kicks in and continues to charge on the go. With an overall size of about a tissue pack, it's a no-brainer if you find yourself constantly running low on juice. Plus, the cable being locked in isn't a coincidence, as Anker is known for their tough AF cables, so doubling this as a carry handle is such a genius idea. Honestly, not having to remember to take a cable with me or even remember where I left it is clutch. Perfect for traveling or just tossing it into my bag just in case I procrastinate a little too hard on TikTok while at work. They've also got larger models, but I find the 5000 milliamps is the perfect size to carry on the daily and more than enough to keep all your gear ready to go.